To other news now, in a significant development, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake has revealed that 2 suspects have been charged in connection with the mass shooting, which left 8 people dead and several others injured in Cherry Tree Lane, Clarendon. Dr. Blake also gave an update on the largest cocaine bust in Jamaica's history. Sandy Williams reports.
Cherry Tree Lane residents are still reeling from the devastating mass shooting. But on Friday, almost 2 weeks after the incident, residents eager for justice would be satisfied with news that 2 suspects have been charged in connection with the brazen attack. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake revealed 33-year-old Leighton White and 28-year-old Dushane Smalling, also known as Snowman, have been charged with 8 counts of wounding with intent, 1 count of shooting with intent, and multiple breaches under the Firearms Act.
These charges brought against the suspects reflect the thorough and meticulous work conducted by the investigating team. Both accused individuals are scheduled to appear before the parish court, where they will face the full weight of the law for their alleged involvement in these heinous crimes.
Dr. Blake believes the development represents a significant stride in the police's effort to restore peace and security in the community. The police commissioner also gave an update on a cocaine bust earlier this month, the largest in Jamaica's history. More than 5,500 pounds of cocaine with an estimated street value of more than $75.8 million have been seized. The 5 suspects, all Jamaican nationals, have been formally charged.
The suspects charged with possession, dealing, and trafficking of cocaine remain in custody as the investigation continues. This historic seizure highlights the JCF's relentless efforts to combat the illegal firearms and drug trade, which poses a significant threat to national security. The JCF and its partners remain steadfast in our commitment to restoring peace and order in the affected communities.
Dr. Blake warned that criminal activities will not go unpunished.
The safety and well-being of our communities are our top priorities, and we will stop at nothing to reclaim our streets and restore our way of life. Despite the progress we have made in arresting key gang leaders and disrupting their operations, we know that the work is not over. These criminal networks have deep roots and a willingness to adapt and evolve in the face of adversity. But we are equally determined and resolute in our efforts to dismantle them, no matter how long it takes.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.